In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter an adjusting entry for accrued interest or interest payable in QuickBooks Online. This type of entry is usually done at the end of a month, quarter, or year when you've incurred interest on a loan or line of credit, but you haven't actually paid it yet. Recording it properly ensures your financial statements show the true expense for the period and that your liabilities are accurate. Let's start by creating the journal entry. From your QuickBooks Online dashboard, go to the top left and click on the plus New button. This is where you create transactions like invoices, bills, and in this case, a journal entry. From the menu that appears, select Journal Entry. This will open up a new journal entry screen where you can add the accounts and amounts you need. Now let's fill in the details. On the first line of the journal entry, go to the Account column and choose Interest Expense from the drop-down menu. This is the account that tracks the cost of borrowing money. In the Debit column on that same line, enter the amount of interest that has accrued but has not yet been paid. This amount is usually calculated based on your loan agreement, using the interest rate and the period you're adjusting for. Next, move to the second line. In the Account column, choose Accrued Interest Payable, or a similar liability account you use to track interest that you owe but haven't paid yet. If you don't see an account with that exact name, you may have something like Interest Payable or Accrued Liabilities, and you can select the one that fits your chart of accounts. In the Credit column on this second line, enter the same amount you entered as the debit for interest expense. This keeps the journal entry in balance. You are increasing your expense and increasing your liability by the same amount. Before you save, it is a good idea to add a clear memo. In the memo field, type a brief description like accrued interest for loan, followed by any internal reference that helps you remember what this relates to. This will make it much easier to understand the entry later when you or your accountant review your books. Once you've confirmed the date, the accounts, and the amounts are correct, go down to the bottom right and select Save and Close. Your adjusting entry for accrued interest is now recorded in QuickBooks Online.